Hey guys, it's Alicia. This is Lichamae Homemade. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. In today's video, this is a DIY straw fall wreath that I created just by using a simple few items. I got these flowers from Hobby Lobby. So I spent about $10 for all of them, and the wreath itself was $3.99 that I got from Goodwill. So right here, I am just trying to figure out where I want to put my flowers, what position I want the wreath. I also seen a little bit of mold on the straw leaves, so I decided to cut them off because it looked kind of spotty. So these flowers that I did get from Hobby Lobby had long stems, so I had to shorten them so that I can just glue the flower onto the wreath itself without the stems. To mention that the only thing that I used for this project was my hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks. So this was a very simple, easy DIY that you can do within 5 minutes. I did have to pull out the scissors with this flower because it was double wrapped with paper, so I did use scissors, but the other flowers I just bent back and forth because they do have the wire in there that can snap the stem off. But yeah, so I did use scissors to cut one of the flowers. Okay, so you may notice there's a camera on my head. I was attempting to use my GoPro, but I'm still trying to figure out how to use this thing, and the footage just was not great. And yeah, so I didn't get to use the footage from the GoPro, but I'm going to try to keep working with it so that I can get a better picture. There we go, our straw fall wreath for under $15, and it looks beautiful. This size wreath in the store could cost you up to $50-$60. So this was a great deal, and I'm proud of myself. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Leave a comment below if you have done a DIY wreath or anything for fall this year. Thank you so much for watching.